can sense that issue from your side. Good. Oh, sorry, it says 18. Even this one I need to be changed, I guess then. Anup, you can change, sir. You can either offline or online. Who are all registered actually? Anything is possible. Offline to online, online to offline. That flexibility would you have actually. Running topic. Daniel, what is upcoming topic? The upcoming topic name is called as the data types. What is the topic name, sir? Data types actually. This one is upcoming topic. Yeah, the location is the KBHP. At Amirpet, I'm not taking any session. At Amirpet, would have other trainers actually. I will give a small recap what we covered in the last week. Then I will continue. Good, fine. Let me tell you the first update is just now I had a word with admin actually. For you guys, Google Classroom is required. What is required? Google Classroom. Why Google Classroom? All these material it's supposed to be uploaded in a Google Classroom so that it is more readable for you. You can access and you can just try to read those material actually. Admin, what they told is tomorrow for sure they are going to create a Google Classroom and admin will add you actually. This one is the first update. Are you clear this point? And second update will be currently the running topic name is called as a variables. What is the topic name? But let me give a small recap what we have covered previously so that you will get a clear picture actually. Please make a note on this one. The very first session I have started data science fundamental. Who are all missing these are all sessions, don't worry. We do have a recorded sessions. Kindly please walk through actually and still I will take a one backup session, a couple of backup sessions for you. From this data science fundamentals, especially what is a data, what is information, what is a data science, especially what type of analytics would you have in industry. There are 4 types actually. Those are all things I covered. What is the big data and especially volume, variety and velocity. These are all things we covered from this data science fundamental. From this topic, Daniel, what we need to understand? Simple. The terminology you need to be understand. What is the analytics? What is the data, information? These are all terminology you need to understand actually. After that, I have explained very clearly Python installation. What I have explained, sir? I'm sure on average I spent some 10 minutes actually. After that 10 minutes, you yourself can install actually. I can give that guarantee. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you already done that. And after that, I have started especially Python introduction. So from this chapter, I explained what is a Python, where are all application Python is using. Python is called as a general purpose programming language. And second one is, can you tell me, Mir cheptara second one? Very good. High level, what exactly? High level. Daniel, what do you mean by general purpose? What do you mean by general purpose? All software companies, they are using Python for mainly for 3 strategies, 3 uses actually. First one, development purpose. Next one, testing purpose. Third one, deployment actually. That's why it is called as a general purpose. Hey, Daniel, can you tell me what do you mean by high level? What do you mean by high level? Human understandable format, sir. What format actually? Human understandable format. After that, I have explained by using Python, what are all applications we can create. By using Python, we can create a standalone application, web application, database application, big data. Last one is a machine learning. Do you think Python created by me actually? No. Who is the Python creator? Guido van Rossum. And after that, the important point from this topic will be Python supports mainly 2 things, man. First one will be functional programming language. Second one will be object oriented programming language. After that, we enter into the topic. The topic name is called as a keywords. Daniel, what do you mean by keyword? The word which is reserved to do a specific purpose, that word is called as a keyword. In Python, total how many keywords would you have? 35. One more time. 35 keywords would you have actually. And there are 3 keywords which is differently behave actually. Starts with uppercase letter. True, false, none. One more time. Nice. After that, I explained hello world example. I'm sure you understand how to write a hello world example actually. Am I right or not, sir? And next one will be naming convention. Just recently when I have covered actually. To understand the naming convention, you should understand one word actually. That word is nothing but identifier. Cheptarandaru? Identifier. Identifier. Daniel, what do you mean by identifier? Sir, simple. A name in a program is called as what exactly? Identifier. How we do have our family members? Same thing like that. Python also having family members. Exactly 6 family members. How many? 6. First one will be package module, variable function, class method. These are all. I'm sure you can walk through our material. And there are exactly 5 rules would you have. I covered actually. And along with this one in this chapter, the last topic is a comments. There are 2 types of comments. The first one is a single line comment. Next one is a just I spend just on an average 10 minutes. A small recap actually. Now let me continue. The topic name is a variable. What is the topic name? If anyone is new here, I'm sure you will understand this one. Don't worry. Yeah. In previous sessions, there is one predefined function. That predefined function name is a print. Chappan? Print. One more time. Print. There are 2 errors also we have seen. First error is a syntax error. Chappal andaru. Syntax error. Next one is a name error. Syntax error. Next one is a name error. Good. Now the today topic will be variables topic. What topic, sir? Variables topic. Please make a note on this one. First of all, I will start from scratch. If anyone joined today, don't worry, sir. I'm sure you will understand. No doubt in that. We are starting the topic. Please focus on this. Yeah, generally would you have a material? These are all seriously, you can easy to understand. Let me help you. Daniel, what do you mean by variable? Variable is a reserved memory location to store what exactly? Value. Let me tell you. Daniel, variable is a reserved memory. A reserved memory location. Why that reserved memory is required? To store a value. To store what exactly mean? Value. Let me show you one small example. Daniel, can you tell me how to create a variable? To create a variable, LHS equals to what exactly, sir? RHS. Chappanandru? LHS equals to RH. Left hand side, you can create a variable name actually. And right hand side, you can just try to provide a value. Right hand side, you can provide what exactly? Value. I mean to say, left hand side, let me give small English letter, that is a. Right hand side, provide something like a 10. Successfully have created a variable. Successfully have created what exactly? Variable. Daniel, can I print actually? You can print. Now let me explain the definition. Here, A is called as the name of the variable. Chapalandaru. Name of the variable. 10 is called as a value of the variable. One more time. Name of the variable, value of the variable. Now Daniel, tell me, what is a variable? What is a variable, The moment whenever you are creating a variable like this actually, in your computer, what exactly happened, let me just try to open the computer. Imagine this one is the Daniel computer actually. Yes, this one is the Daniel computer. And I would like to say, successfully have created a variable. That variable name is a equals to 10. What is the variable name, sir? A equals to Chapalandaru. Then in your computer, there is a RAM. Inside that RAM, there is a one variable will be created automatically with this image actually. This variable name is a. This variable name is what exactly? A. And inside of this one, there is a value. Can you tell me what is that value actually? 10. Exactly. Now, whenever you are creating a variable a equals to 10, you have to imagine this image actually. You have to imagine what exactly? This image. In your computer, the memory allocation is happening. The reserved memory. Now you can read actually. Can you read, sir? Variable is a reserved memory location. One more time. Reserved memory location. Chapalandaru. Reserved memory location. Daniel, why this reserved memory location? Simple, sir. To store a value. To store what exactly? Value actually. Seriously? Can you share the screen to online team? I'm sorry, sir. Anup, we already shared it. Your voice is not coming. I'm wondering. I already shared my screen, and if anyone is unable to see, kindly please rejoin. I request you kindly rejoin actually, sir. Why? Because Other guys, they're able to hear and they can see our screen actually. Okay. Other guys, thank you for cooperating. Let us move on. Now, let me just try to create one small example. Open a notepad, sir. Open a notepad. Let me create a variable a equals to 10 and let me just try to print what exactly, sir. Let me just try to print it. Yeah, a variable and demo1.py. And here what I need to provide all files. Go to the coding. Can I explain one more time? First, we need to create a variable a equals to 10. Good. Can you explain from scratch? Go to the Windows and here you need to type what exactly mean notepad and notepad you need to click on here. Yeah, good. Now here you need to write a piece of code actually a equals to 10 and here you need to print what exactly sir a. What you need to print actually a. Good. Now initially the program is untitled. There is no name boss. There is no name actually. Go to the file, click on what exactly mean save. Now let me just try to give demo1.py. What exactly sir? Demo1.py. We are saving the file. We are saving the file. If you want you can click onto the desktop and coding and demo1.py and save as what exactly sir? All files. Click on save. Successfully you have saved your program in a coding folder. Minimize this one. You can just try to open the coding folder and even open this one. Now run this example actually. Yeah. To run the program, we can run program in a command prompt. Where we can run boss? Command prompt. To open the command prompt, what we need to do, open a folder. Yes, I have opened actually. Click on here. Here just you need to type 3 letters actually. Those letters will be checked. CMD. One more time. CMD. Then command prompt it will be opened automatically. Now here we need to run the program. The program will be py demo.py. Cheppandi how to run one more time. Py name of the file. One more time. Py name of the file. Simple. As simple as that actually. Okay. Py name of the file. Daniel, successfully you have created an example. Yes, boss. Successfully have created a variable. Successfully have created what exactly? Variable. Variable. Now, then we understand Daniel how to create a variable. Can you tell me the purpose of variable to represent the data? I mean, what is the purpose of the variable? The purpose of variable is to represent the data. To represent what exactly? Data. Good. So data means collection of facts. Data means what exactly? Collection of facts. We'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Daniel, can you create a group of variables actually? Group of what exactly mean? Variable. Yeah, let me create actually. Group of variables I will create you. A person data I need what actually? I need what exactly mean? Person data. Yeah, left hand side equals to what exactly sir? Right hand side. Right hand side actually. Left hand side I'm planning to use. The first one will be name. Name should be Daniel. Imagine I have created a variable. The variable name is a name. The variable name is what exactly sir? Name. Let me create a one more variable is equals to 16. Equals to what exactly? 16. There are two variables I created boss. How many variables? Two variable. First variable name, name. Second variable name is good. Let me create one more variable. The variable name will be salary. Salary kind of some 1 minute. $10,036 actually. Successfully I have created a three different variables. Team. Left hand side, what are all things are available? Those are all called as a variables, man. Those are all called as what exactly? Variable. Right hand side, what are all things are available? That is called as a values. What exactly? Value. Now I have a question. What are all values? Only read values actually. Daniel 16 10,000.36. Read the name of the variables. I'm sure you got it actually. Hey Daniel, can I print? Sir, you can print actually. Come on, let me print. You know what? This is something like representing the data. Chappanandru, represent the data. What is the purpose of variable boss? Simple, sir, to represent the data. If you are asking my name, my age, my salary, indirectly you are asking about my data. You are asking about what exactly? Data actually. If you wanted to represent in a coding, assign a variable, you can just try to, left hand side we have to create a name of the variable. Right hand side you need to assign a value actually. Then you can create respectively like this. Okay. Amit, good point. Okay. But if you have given within double quotes, sir, that it will become string actually. Can I cover this point later? There is a good point. One of our teammate Amit, he is asking a question. Arey Daniel, why we put double quotes actually? Why? Because sir, still if you want you can keep actually. But as it should be a integer data type, but not string data type. This data type will become what exactly string actually, but it should be integer. It should be what exactly integer. The answer will be. We will learn more in data types topic. I will show you. I will show you. Yeah. Let me just try to keep the question here actually. I can move on with the discussion. Daniel, I wanted to print all these name of the variables. Daniel, sir, you can print actually. Chapman, what is the first variable name? Name. Chapman, what second one? Is. Next one? You can do actually. You can do. For your better understanding, I am giving lot of space actually, but in real time, just one space is enough. Otherwise, space also not required actually. But why I am giving? For your better understanding. మీకు అర్థం అవడం కోసం నేను ఇస్తున్నాను actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let me take these are all. Let me take this example in a program. Previous example, I can print. Even I can run this example actually. You will get an idea. Yeah, very good. Successfully, you are getting an output actually. You are printing name. So the moment when you are printing the name, it is printing Daniel. Okay. The moment when you are printing age, it is printing what exactly? 16. Tim, can I tell? This is 10th class standard. What exactly? I'm sure we already done actually. X equals to 10, Y equals to 20. We used to assign like this actually. Am I right or not, sir? No surprise here actually. I'm sure you already done 10th class. Don't say. Okay. Now let me ask you one question. Tim, how many variables? Variables can create chesam? 3. What is this one actually? Chappalandaru. Predefined function. Very good. What exactly? Function. You can also call as a predefined function. You can also call as what exactly? Predefined function actually. Okay. So if anyone is facing issue, Jyoti ma'am, sir, when I'm running the program, it is showing can't open the file. What should I do, sir? Actually, ma'am, it's okay. Maybe if anyone is facing the same issue, one more time I will explain the process. One more time I will explain the process. Actually, kindly please make a note. One of the student actually is asking a question. Anyone may having same question actually. Anyone may having what exactly same question. Please understand. Daniel, when I was running the program, it is showing can't open file actually. What should I do actually? Generally, let me write one more time. Please follow the exact process. I'm closing everything. Even let me close this one too. Even if you already know, let me delete this folder also. Listen very carefully. Follow the process. First step is you need to create a folder. You need to create what exactly? Folder, please. Just give a right click and create a folder. You tell me folder name. Can I give Monday today actually? And let me folder name. It can be anything. Folder name. It can be what exactly, sir? Anything. Today I'm planning to give the folder name will be Monday. What is the folder name, sir? We can give. It's okay. Cool. Then here what we need to do, let me just try to create a. Let me just try to create an example actually. Let me just try to create an example. Go to the Windows and here you need to open Notepad actually, and you have to open a Notepad like this. Good. Now please make a note. Here you need to write print. Just to print hello world. Print what exactly? Hello world. Hello world actually. Please make a note on this one. The moment when you have written this program, go to the file, click on Chappan sir, save. Now go to the desktop, click on Monday, and here you need to provide chaptara demo1.py. What exactly? Demo1.py. And all files, click on what exactly? Save. Perfect. The program saved successfully actually. Sir, I have a question for you. Where our program is available? Inside Monday folder. Chapter andaru? Inside Monday folder. Inside where exactly? Monday folder. Then to run this program, you need to open Monday folder. You need to open what folder actually? Monday folder. And here you need to open a command prompt. Yeah, let me open a command prompt. Now, here your file name should be match. whenever you're running this program, your file name should be match. Your file name should be match. If your file name is not matching, you will get an error. That error will be what exactly, no such file or directory actually. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what, this is the process you need to be follow. Exactly. Boss, who is facing issue, kindly please follow the same process. I got a one suggestion from one of our teammate actually. Okay, good. My suggestion to download PyCharm, it is a better to do practice actually. Anup sir, we are doing this one upcoming session. This is upcoming session. This is what exactly upcoming session. But the best practice is using Notepad actually. No doubt in that. Thank you. Kindly please follow the session. I respect your decision actually. Okay, your suggestion. And I'm wondering today why you guys are getting this issue. Nitish, sir, you are not audible. Sir, I'm pretty clear from my side. Online team, my voice is clear, I guess. Nitish, kindly please rejoin, sir. Maybe issue is from your side actually. Okay, fine then. Let me close everything. Now let us continue. Yeah, Daniel, what is the purpose of variable? The purpose of variable is what exactly? To represent the data. One more time. To represent the data. Data means it's a collection of facts. Facts, it can be alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric, symbol, audio, video, image. These are all things actually. Okay. What is the properties of variable? This point is important, sir. What is the property of variable? Every variable has its own properties. Every variable can contain mainly four properties. The fourth one is not required for you. The first one is a name of the variable. What is the first one? Name of the variable. Second one is a type of the variable. Third one is a value of the variable. The fourth one is a scope actually. What is the fourth one, sir? Scope. Let me show you that example. I will do one thing for your better understanding. I can just try to implement a equals to 10, and here I can just try to print this variable. Successfully I have created a variable. I'm saving this example demo2.py, demo2.py, and let me run this example. Minimize this one, and you can just try to open Monday folder, and here you need to open a command prompt. Can you help me what example I need to run actually? Demo2.py. Yes, you are getting this output. Let me take this example. Let me talk about this one. Take this one, and you can just try to, yeah, good. Team, here A is called as a name of the variable. Cheptarandaru, name of the variable, and 10 is called as a, very good, value of the variable. Very good. And yeah, good. Now let me tell you, every variable has its own type. Its own what exactly meant? Type. Daniel, what do you mean by type actually? Let me tell you, gender two types. Male and next one is a female. I mean, the gender two types actually. First one is the male, next one is the female. Same thing like that. We do have a different type of the data. Different type of what exactly meant? Data. The value what we have taken, here just integer. I mean to say a number without decimal is called as a integer data type. What data type, sir? Integer data. 10 is it is integer data type. What data type, sir? Integer data type. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by data type? Upcoming session, sir. What session actually? Upcoming session. Are you clear? Now there are three things you need to understand. Every variable have name of the variable, chapani, value of the variable. Next one, it is having a data type. It is having what exactly, sir? Data type. Do you wanted to see the data type actually? Let me introduce one small new predefined function actually. Hey Daniel, just now you have covered A is integer data type. A is what data type actually? Integer data type. Can I see that one actually? You can see, sir. You can see. If you want, what you can do, there is a one predefined function in Python. That predefined function name is a type. What is the function name? Chappalandaru. Type. Type of. Within the parenthesis, you can provide A. Within the parenthesis, you can provide what exactly? A. Indirectly, we have created a variable. Good. You are printing the variable. You are checking the data type. You are checking what exactly meant? Data type. Then automatically, this one representing class int. You can ignore that class actually. Please focus on int. I need to run demo2.py. Come on, you can please understand actually. Can you tell me what is this one, sir? Int. Int means integer. Python follows the shortest notation. It is called as a integer data type. What data type, sir? Integer data type. Are you with me, everyone? Good. This is called as a property. Can you tell me what is this one? Function. One more time. Function. Function. Type is a predefined function. Type is what exactly, sir? Type is a predefined function. By using this, we can check the data type. We can check what exactly? Data type. Good question. Sir, function means a predefined method. Sorry, sir. Function is a different, method is a different. Sai, sir. Good question. Good question, actually. Good. So, print. It is a predefined function. It is what exactly? Predefined function. Next one. Let me tell you upper. It is a method actually. We can talk later. It is a method in str class, which is my favorite topic actually. We will learn in upcoming. We will learn in what exactly? Upcoming session. This one is upcoming session. This is upcoming session. Upcoming session actually. Sai sir, I can cover more and more in upcoming actually. Function is a different, method is a different, no doubt at all actually. We'll see later. Okay. Good. All right. Where are we? Currently, we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a variable. I'm sure you already understand these are all discussion. The next one will be naming convention to a variable. What is the next one, sir? Naming convention. Chapalandaru. Naming convention. Now, please understand. Whenever you are creating a variable, name should start with what exactly? Lower case. I mean to say, did you notice here actually? My hand always going on lower case only. Still, if you want, you can provide like this. That is not a good practice actually. That is not what exactly mean good practice. If you wanted to create a variable, all are lowercase only. All are what exactly? Lowercase only. This is really good practice. This is called as a naming convention. The rule you need to follow. All characters are in lowercase only. Chapter. All characters are in lowercase only. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. If variable having more than single word, if variable having what exactly? More than single word. Imagine 2 words I am taking. Word number 1 and word number 2. It would be really good practice. Join this word and this word by using which symbol? Underscore symbol. What symbol actually? Good. Let me just try to print this one. This one is the rule. It's good to follow actually. Indirectly you are following the real-time standard. Yeah, you are getting an output. What is output, sir? 101. 101. Let me tell you the point actually. Naming convention. Hello boss, I'm sure you understand how to create a variable. While creating a variable, please follow the rule. The rule will be all are lowercase only. All are what exactly mean? Lowercase only. If name having the multiple words, then separating word with what exactly? Underscore symbol is a good practice. Underscore symbol is what exactly? Good practice. Please follow this one. Now, just now even I have explained. We need to follow the below syntax to create a variable. Left hand side, name of the variable, right hand side value. Tim, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means the rule you have to follow. Chapandi? The rule you have to follow. So this is also called as a protocol actually. You should follow. You should what exactly follow. Previously, one student asked one question. Array Daniel, you're telling we can create a variable like this actually. Yes, boss, we can create a variable like this. Exactly, I followed the syntax. If you follow the syntax actually, indirectly you are giving respect to the Python, and the Python will give the output for you. Python will give what exactly? Output for you actually. Right, let me show you. Instead of left hand side variable name, 10 equals to A. Can I give actually? No, sir. You are violating the rule actually. You are violating the protocol. If you are giving like this, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Especially syntax error. What error, sir? It will give left and right actually. Kindly look at my screen. You are getting a error. That error is a syntax error. You can ignore this description. We can talk later. Boss, what you're doing? Are you fine? Indirectly it is showing actually. Left hand side, always character. Always what exactly? Character. Kind of some name of the variable. Right hand side, you need to provide value. Right hand side, you need to provide what exactly? Value. Team, are you getting or not, sir? Good, let me drink water. Online team. Can somebody respond meanwhile actually? Are you following everyone? Online team. Yeah, thank you for responding. All right. Okay, cool. We are going with right direction actually. Now, I'm sure you will get a clear picture, sir. Sai we can give. If you want, let me explain. There are few scenarios actually. Few of our teammates what they're asking, Hey Daniel, can I create A equals to 10? Sir, you can create. Can I create B1? You can create actually. This one also valid. This one also what exactly? Valid. Recently there is a topic. The topic name is called as a naming convention. During that time I have explained actually. Am I right or not, sir? Whenever you are creating an identifier allowed digit actually, but identifier should not starts with what exactly? Digit. This is possible. This one is a valid actually. Sai sir, we have covered this one. The first one also valid, second one also valid actually. Okay, cool. Okay. There is a variable we are creating age equals to 16 and the print of we are printing age actually. It's okay, cool. Now I'm creating a two variables. We are printing two variables. Let me just try to print these two. You will get an idea. Team, come and look at my screen. I'm doing one more time in front of you. Let me delete everything. And I would like to even delete the folder. I would like to even delete the folder actually. Now let me execute. Online team, kindly please hold on. Why? Because the session started onwards. I'm seeing almost this is the fourth time or third time. Few people they are unable to hear my voice. Let me check with admin. Is there any issue from my side? Maybe some, but other guys they are able to hear. Um, Said sir, I'm sure it is a string data type. It is what data type actually? String data type actually. String data type. Sir, 1 minute. Online team, please hold on. Thanks. Good. There is a one question. The question will be, Said sir actually. Daniel, can I create a variable like this? You can create, sir. If you have created a variable like this actually, now let me tell you, a equals to what exactly? 334.5. This is called as a floating data type actually. What data type, sir? Floating data type. The value with decimal, it is called as a float data type. What data type? Hey, Daniel, can I create a variable b equals to kind of some within W code? Sir, you can create. This is called as a string data type. What data type actually? String data type. String data type. During the data type, I will cover more and more actually. Good, go back. and I would like to create a two variables. I would like to create a two variables. Let me create a folder name is a coding folder. Yes, we are creating this one. Let me open Notepad. First name of the variable is name only. Name equals to, within double quote I am creating Daniel. You can give any name actually. Now age equals to 16. Let me just try to print. Tim, I wanted to print the first variable. Can you tell me what is the first one? Name. Okay. And even I wanted to print second variable. Thus, what is the second variable actually? Yes. Indirectly, we have created two variables. The first variable name is a name. Second variable name is a age, and we are storing the value inside of that one actually. Go to the file. You can click on save this program. And where I'm planning to save, sir, go to the Chapane desktop. Everyone should tell. Go to the desktop. Next one, coding folder. Can I click on save? No, no, no. You should not do that. Delete this one. What we need to do? Demo1.py. Chapal andaru. Demo1.py. Can I click on save? No. Go to here and all files you need to save. That's it. This is the process and steps you need to follow. Trust me, if you are executing example by using Notepad, actually with my whole experience I'm telling, this one is the best way of the process. Why? Because each and every letter, including equal symbol, including double quote actually, you have to please take care. Slowly by slowly you are becoming very strong in fundamentals actually. What is the lower case? What is the upper case? You will become very good in idea actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Let's minimize this example. You will become very strong. No doubt in that. If you're executing examples in a notepad actually. Now I wanted to run that program, Daniel. To run that program, open coding folder. And yes, your program is available inside in coding folder. Now here you need to open a command prompt. You can just have to click on here. What I need to type, sir? CMD. Yeah. Now we need to run a program. But before running the program, you need to provide a command. That command name is a py. What is the command name? Py. Now you have to provide the name of the file. Let me run this example. Exactly. We got an output actually. We are using Notepad to write an example. We are using command prompt to see what exactly mean output actually. This is the best practice. Are you with me? Good. I have a question. How many variables? Chapal andaru. Two variable. Can you tell me what is print actually? Predefined function. Very good. Predefined function. Yeah, I'm continuing the session. Please make a note on this one. We are continuing actually. The next point, this one is interesting. Even previously, one guy asked a question. Array Daniel, here you are using two print statements actually. Can I use a single print statement? I would like to print both variables actually. Sir, it is possible. It is possible actually. Let me create one more time. First one, name equals to what exactly? Daniel. Name equals to what exactly? Daniel. Let me create a variable. Variable name is the age actually. Age equals to what exactly? 16. Let me print. First name of the variable, name. And what is the second variable name? Age. See, first variable and second variable should be separated by using comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. You have to provide comma separator. Now indirectly, you are using single print statement to print both values actually. This is fine. Python will allow actually. Python will what exactly mean? Will allow. Come on, let me run this example. You will get an out. Previously, line by line output you got it actually, but here in a single line. In what exactly mean? Single line. Yes, of course, first variable name and second variable name. A space you are going to get here output actually. Alright, Daniel, I will not give comma separator. Sir, you will get an error. Variables are supposed to be separated by using what separator? Comma separator. What separator, sir? Comma separator. You have to follow this one. Now let's move on with the example. This one is interesting. Let me tell you. This point is important point. Please make a note on this one. This one is very important point actually. Important point. Then it'll tell me what is that point. Let me create one example. And even I would like to, every time I need to close these are all thing. But just for your practice, I am closing everything actually. Open a notepad. And here let me open new example actually. This example will be, here I would like to create a variable name is equals to 16. Variable name is equals to what exactly? See, first of all, I'm not copy pasting the example from the document. I'm writing the code in front of you. You will understand very clearly line by line what I'm doing actually. Sir, still I can copy paste actually. Let me not do that practice actually. Okay. After you have created a variable, I would like to print that variable. How to print, sir? Chaptara? Print of what exactly? No, is. Now save this example. Yeah, good. Now demo1.py. I would like to save demo1.py. Demo1 is already available. Let me give what exactly meant. Demo2 actually. It is okay, cool. Demo1 example is already available. Now I wanted to run this demo2. Simple man. Go to where your program is available. My program is available inside coding folder. Open that. I wanted to run this program. To run this program, what we need to do? Open a command prompt here. Good. Open a command prompt here. Now we need to run an example. What is example, sir? Py demo Chapalandaru. Demo2.py. Good. Here is the point. What point I wanted to explain, Imagine the time will be 6:14. Suddenly one student came actually, either offline or online. And I'm showing only this output actually. I'm showing what exactly? This output. Then that student will think, Daniel have written a program and he is displaying 16. He is displaying what exactly? 16. Now for him it is a cross question. What is this 16? Either it is a rupees or else a 16 apples actually, or else a $16 actually. It is a cross question for him. Am I right or not, sir? But you tell me what is the 16? Very good. Now the point will be, whenever you are printing a value, try to display some information before the value. It will be clear for everyone. It is clear for what exactly, sir? Everyone. What I mean to say, here I wanted to display my age is 16. Nice statement actually. Are you with me or not, sir? What I wanted to display, Chapani, my age is 16. I wanted to display actually. To display my age is a 16, what we need to do, you just try to come to the program and here provide a some double quote symbol, provide a comma here actually. Now here you need to write, Chapani sir, my age is, I would like to write one small word actually, sweet 16, but not 16, sir. Yeah, good. Now you talk with me. Sir, this one is more meaningful or this one is what exactly? More meaningful. Second one is more meaningful. Am I right or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. Whenever you are printing the output actually, just try to display some proper information. Then it can get more readability. It can get more what exactly, man? Readability in the sense, imagine even suddenly some new student came and he will understand, oh, 16 minutes he is talking about what exactly? His age actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, good. You can just try to go to the running nodes. Demo1.py. Let me create a variable. Age equals to 16. Let me print this age actually. I'm sorry, man. I'm extremely sorry. Let me create one more program. Program name is a demo2.py. Demo2.py. And this one should be demo2 actually. Okay. Now, please make a note on this. I have seen one question. Sai, can we use like a print my is sir? In this program it works actually, but I'm sorry. In other programs it will be fail. Why? Because both are string, it works very well. That is called as a concatenation operation. Concatenation operation. Even we can talk more and more later actually. Sai, I understand your question. We'll discuss this point later. Concatenation operator actually. That is called as. All right. So back to the session. I'm sure I have created a variable. The variable name is the name Daniel. And I can still print directly name actually, but here it can display only Daniel. But instead of this one, I wanted to display some information. That information should be what exactly, I am Daniel actually. I am what exactly, sir? Daniel. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Now hold on. Previous batch, there was one student, he asked a nice question actually. Please understand, there are some really very good questions actually. The questions will be equals to, let me print 10. Print of what exactly, A. Let me run the program. Chaptara output into chaptara. Can you tell me what is output actually? Cheppandi sir, 10. What is this question, Array Daniel, even I can still print like this also. I can still print what exactly? Like this also. Now you can see the output actually. You can see what exactly mean output. This is really very good question. One student asked actually. One student asked actually. Now let me run. Yeah, we are getting same output. Then you tell me, you in the sense, trainer he is asking, what is the difference between first two? You are assigning to a variable, you are assigning into what exactly variable and you are printing. And here you are directly printing actually. You are directly what exactly mean printing. Now let me tell you the beauty of creating a variable. Sir, the variable, it behaves like a reusable component. Cheptarandaru? Reusable component. One more time. Reusable. I mean to say, later after 5 lines also, I just wanted to print 10 value. Instead of hard coding the value, what we can, print of A. Print of what exactly mean? After 100 lines also, if you want, you can still print the value 10 by calling what exactly? Variable. This is something like, A is a variable. Instead of that one, we are keeping one container and we are storing the value. We are reusing. We are what exactly mean? Reusing. This is something like what exactly, sir? You have a wallet actually. Inside wallet, you do have a money. Wherever it is required actually, you can use. You can use. This is something like a kind of some security. But what is this line, This is something like you are holding the money with your hand actually, which is not a good practice. Are you with me? Good, good. If you want, I can make you one small point here actually. Daniel, can you tell me the point will be important point. Variable is reusable component. Cheptarandaru? Reusable component actually. What do you mean by that? Once we create, then we can reuse anywhere. Anywhere, anytime actually. Anywhere you can use actually. All right. We done these are all discussion. Let me just try to close what all we are not using. Let me close this one. Let me even close this one. We are not using this. Okay. Let me even close this. Good. Back to the session. Team interview question. There is one interview question. Let me give a small recap. Just it take just a matter of 1 minute actually, so that we can move on with the discussion. Can I continue? Good. So the topic name is called as a variable. Daniel, what do you mean by variable? Variable is a reserved memory location. Cheptarandaru? Reserved memory location to store a value. To store what exactly? Value. Imagine there is a value. That value is a 10. First of all, store into one variable. You can reuse actually. You can what exactly, sir? Reuse. The moment whenever you are creating a variable, automatically the memory allocation is happening in your laptop. It's supposed to allocate actually. Okay. What is the purpose of variable? The purpose of variable is to represent a data. The purpose of variable is what exactly? Represent the data. Array Daniel, what do you mean by data? My name is Daniel. If anyone joined today is the first session. My name is Daniel actually. Data means it's a collection of facts. Data means what exactly mean? Collection of facts. Facts can be alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric, symbol. Properties of variable. Every variable having the name, value, type. One more time. Name, value, type. Last time. Good. Naming convention. Whenever you are creating a variable, this one is really good practice actually. Provide all or lowercase only. Provide all or what exactly mean? Lowercase only. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Daniel, imagine I am creating a variable. My variable having the 2 words actually. Student ID. Otherwise, student name. Student is a separate word. Name is a separate word actually. Then try to join those 2 words with underscore symbol. What symbol actually? Underscore symbol. That is really good practice actually. This one is a syntax to create a variable. Left hand side name of the variable you have to provide. Right hand side value you need to provide actually. And yes, the first example we are creating a variable is equals to 16. We are printing. In the second example, we are creating a 2 variable. In the second example, we are creating how many variables, sir? 2 variables we are creating, and we are printing those variables actually. Those variables. Okay. In a third example, Daniel, instead of using 2 print statements, can I use 1 print statement, sir? You can use. You can use. But first variable name and second variable name separated by using comma separator. What separator? Comma separator actually. Comma separator. Now, whenever you are printing a variable, it would be really good practice to display some information. Yes, I'm printing variable. Sir, before that, just I wanted to print some information. Then what we need to do, come before the variable. provide double quote actually, and here you can write whatever you want, and here you need to provide a comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. Syntactically you need to be follow. Syntactically what exactly, sir? You need to be follow. Otherwise you will get an error actually. There was one question. I tried that same procedure, sir, but in command prompt it is showing can't open the file. I tried 4 to 5 times actually. All right, then it's a right time. Maybe on high time I need to help actually. Online team, hold on, sir. But meanwhile, do one thing. Do one thing actually. Do one thing. Go to the Google. Go to the Google. There is a one app actually. App name is a AnyDesk. AnyDesk. Try to download. Try to download, and after download, try to install. After install, you can share a number actually. Share a number. Then we can access your system and we can fix actually. We can fix. We can fix. Try to please follow the process. Go to the Google. Open. You can just try to download AnyDesk actually. You can try to install. Once installation is done, click on that AnyDesk actually. Then it will give one number. Try to give me that number. I can access your machine remotely and we can fix that issue actually. All right, let's move on with the other discussion actually. Tim, did you understand? Can I continue? Yeah, fine. Now, there is an important point we are going to cover. The point will be, this is important, man. During interview, there may be chance they can ask actually. The point will be, what is the point I'm going to cover, Please understand the point. Python what exactly having? Dynamic nature, dynamic data type nature. What data types are? Dynamic data type nature. Come on, Chadutarandru. Python having dynamic data type nature. One more time. Dynamic data type nature. Let me tell you what do you mean by this actually. Daniel, I wanted to create a variable. I wanted to create what exactly? Variable. Let us create a variable by using Java and by using Python. Chapter first one is a Java, next one is a Python. Let me show you this one. If you wanted to create a variable in Java, don't say I don't know Java. That's still okay. That is acceptable. No need to. Don't join in Java course actually to create a variable. If you wanted to create a variable in Java, this one is the process you need to follow. First you need to tell data type. First you need to tell what exactly, sir? Data type. Then next you need to give name of the variable equals to 16 equals to what exactly? 16. Semicolon is required. What is required, sir? Semicolon. For your kind information, I do have a real-time experience in a Java actually, right? Now I wanted to print that variable. Then system.out.println you have to use actually. But the same thing, I wanted to create in a Python. I wanted to create in what exactly, sir? Python. You talk with me. Do you think integer is required actually? No. Is equals to what exactly mean? 16. Now here is the point you need to be understand. In a Java programming language, the data type is a static. The data type is what exactly? Static. I mean to say, you have to tell first to the data type actually. Once you are explaining about the data type, the next step will be name of the variable. The next step will be value of the variable actually. This one is the syntax we need to follow. But in Python, it was not like that actually. The beauty with the Python programming language, sir, you create a variable. You no need to take the pain actually. You create a variable and assign a value. I will take care about the data type nature. I will take care about what exactly meant? Data type nature. Now this point you will understand. Can somebody read actually? Python having dynamic data type nature. What nature actually? Dynamic data. The data type is assigned automatically. Dynamically actually. Dynamically. Let me show you practically. చూడండి practically. Let's open Notepad and A equals to 10, B equals to 1.23. There are two variables I have created. First variable, just a number without a decimal. Just what exactly? Number without a decimal. Second variable, B. It's a number with decimal. Chapani? It's a number with decimal. Hey Daniel, I wanted to check the both data type actually. Yes, boss, you can check actually, right? First of all, let me just try to print A, and even let me just try to print what exactly? B. And here I wanted to check the data type actually. How to check the data type? Any idea? What function? Very good. Type is very good, boss. Type of A, and next one is what exactly? Type of B. Nice. Then, are you able to see anywhere? Okay, hold on. Let me create a demo3.py. Are you able to see anywhere did I give an int actually? No. Are you able to see anywhere I have given float actually? No. But the beauty with the Python, you know, whenever it is running the program actually, automatically it takes care about the data type. Automatically it takes care about what exactly mean? Data type. That's what you need to be understand actually. Wow, this is seriously very good. So the moment whenever you are creating a variable, 10 actually automatically, team, do let me know what is the data type chaptara? Integer. What is the data type actually? Float. What is the data type, sir? Float. What is integer? What is a float? Yeah, we have a separate cinema actually. I can cover. That one is upcoming topic actually. Are you with me? Good. Very nice. Team, I will explain from scratch. If anyone having any questions, I'm happy to help you. I'm sure do let me know. And it's a right time. I need to share my mail ID. If you're having still any personal discussion, sorry, I mean to say technical discussion actually. Let me share my mail ID. This one is trainer mail ID actually, mail ID. So this one is my mail ID, sir. If you're having any question, you can shoot a mail. I'm sure I'm trainer mail ID. My name is Daniel. My mail ID is Daniel Gen AI 77@gmail.com. Daniel DA, please make a note correctly. Otherwise, take your mobile and take a snap also. DANIEL Gen AI 77@gmail.com. Good. If you are having any technical question, I'm sure you can shoot actually. I'm sure I will help you, no doubt in that. But a small request, whenever you are sending a mail, I hope you know how to send a mail actually. Am I right, sir? Mail send you idea. Ensure that your subject should be 5:30 p.m. batch. You no need to tell your name also. I'm so and so. I'm from so and so location. Morning I have a breakfast actually. These are all things not required. Straight to the point actually. I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? Please. Just a subject and explain what you are looking for actually. Explain. You can just try to ask a question. Ask a question. Okay. Krishna Sai, I can. I can actually. All right. It's the right time. I need to continue. Go back. Seems to be here. This point I covered. Python having the dynamic data type nature. It means while creating a variable, we no need to provide the data type explicitly in Python. Regarding the data type, we'll learn in what exactly, sir? Data type chapter. This one is upcoming topic actually. Please make a note. Creating a multiple variables. Creating what exactly, sir? Multiple variables in a single line. This is possible, but we are not using in real time. Let me show you. Hey Daniel, can I create a multiple variables in a single line? Let me show you an example actually. Let me show you one example. Good. A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and C equals to 30. Team, how many variables I have created, sir? Madam, chapale, 3 variable. Can I print all 3 variable? Boss, you can print. Print of A, and even you can just say to print of B. And here what you can do, print of C. This is possible actually. And if you want, you can run this example. This is still valid example. Demo 3. Let me run the demo 3 example. You can use up arrow in your laptop keyboard actually. Up arrow you can use. Previously what command you run already, it will be displayed automatically. Yeah. Kindly please run this one. Daniel, instead of writing like this, can I create all 3 variables in a single line? Tim, what I'm telling seems to be to create a 3 variable. I'm using three lines here actually. Instead of that, a comma b comma c equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is possible. We can even create like this actually. But for your kind information, even though it is possible, in real time we are not using actually. This strategy we are not using. Even I will tell you what is the issue. Shouldn't actually. I have saved this example. Now open the command prompt and let me run this example. Demo 3. Perfectly you are getting output actually. If you want, you can change this value so that you can get a confirmation. Program is updated and we are getting updated output actually. Are you with me or not, sir? This is called as a creating a multiple variables in a single line. చెప్తారు అందరూ? Creating a multiple variables in what exactly? Single line. Possible. But I'm sorry for saying it is not recommended actually. There is a one small rule here. What is that rule here? You know, let me take this example in a running notes. And now let me explain actually. Here, left hand side, how many variables would you have, sir? Chappani. Left hand side, any variables only? 3. Right hand side should be 3 values. Right hand side should be what exactly? If you are missing at least one value, hey Python, we know each other since 10 years actually. Please execute actually. Python never listens, sir. Protocol means protocol. What exactly? Protocol. You have to follow the syntax. Hey Daniel, left hand side 3 variables, right? Please, at any cost, you have to provide 3 values at right hand side. Otherwise, it throws error. Otherwise, it throws what exactly? Error. Let me show you what kind of error you will get actually. You are getting value error. What error, sir? Daniel, you are missing the value. You are missing what exactly? Value. You can ignore this description. You can ignore what exactly this description. You will get value error. What error, sir? Till now we have seen 2 errors actually. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం 2 errors చూసాం. ఇది 3 error actually. చెప్తారా ఫస్ట్ error ఏంటి? Very good. Second error, name error. Third one, value error. Beautiful. One more time. Syntax error, name error, value error. Very good. Can I write here, boss? You will get an idea. Nagiswaro sir, we can take. We can take actually. That is still possible. Sai sir, we should not take. We will get an error. Here value error. What error, sir? Value error. Don't give the even space in between the word actually. Only boys. Only boys. Come on, sir. Read everyone actually. Syntax. Madams. Only madams actually. Come on. Good. Very good. Very good. Please memorize. As I told you, you know, error names you have to memorize actually. This point is a bit important. There are few questions from online team. Let me help them actually. Can we get variable by using value actually? Yeah, by using print statement. Amit sir, we can do that. Amit sir, what we can do, you know, there was one question from one of our learner actually. Sir, once after we learn this course, let me tell you, first of all, the data science course is seriously awesome. Just give me 1 minute, I can talk with you, Amit sir. Let me clarify all. So can we use type of, Sai sir will get an error. I'm sorry. Type function accept only one variable at a time. Can you please tell me about the laptop configuration about NU actually? Good. There are, you know, imagine there is a student number 1. Imagine student number 1 and the question will be, imagine Daniel, I do have a gap. So can you please, what I need to do? What I need to do? Imagine either can I continue or else not actually. What I need to do? And then one more student. The student will be, Daniel, can you tell me the laptop configuration? What exactly, sir? I'm sorry, laptop configuration. Laptop, what exactly? Configuration. Let me tell you. Configuration. Let me answer these two. Yeah, good. First one, if anyone having any gap actually, so imagine even for your kind of information, imagine there is a person who done graduation in the year of 2000. Otherwise, let us take a 2, 3, 4 years gap. You done graduation, but unfortunately, you worked in some part-time job, and due to that, you continued almost 2 to 3 years actually. You are having some gap. There are 2 options, man. There are what exactly 2 options actually. Option number 1. Once after this course is done actually, in your resume, what you can specify, you know, trained data scientist. Cheptarandaru? Trained data scientist. You can create you in the sense, I will help you how to create a resume and you can try. This is possible. Second option will be, I'm not sure either you know this option or not. Meeki option teluso ledo nakaithe teliyadu gaani. We can add an experience and try also. And what exactly, sir? Try. This is possible. Are you with me or not, sir? For your kind of information, if you take a software company, imagine there are 100 employees. How many employees, sir? 100 employees. 65 members, they will enter into the IT industry like this only. The second option. Having the gap is very common, not only for specific person. For your kind of information, let me tell you, I have done my graduation in the year of 2010. In the year of what exactly, man? 2010. 1.5 year I don't have a job actually. How long time, sir? 1.5 year. What I done, I learned Java actually. I added a experience 1.8 months actually. I got a job. That is possible. Sir, I'm a master actually. Master in the sense, to give a suggestion, how to add an experience, how to give an interview. These are all. I'm sorry for saying. Are you with me or not, sir? I can help you. Sir, I'm sure you got my answer actually. And one more point, let me tell you. Can you tell me the course what we have chosen is a data science and what exactly, sir? AI actually. Am I right? Good, let me tell you. This is frankly speaking such a wonderful course actually. Such a beautiful course. Daniel, can you prove actually? Yeah, sir, I can prove. I can prove actually. Nowadays you might aware about universities actually, sir. Am I right or not, sir? Universities. All universities, olden days there was a group, CSE group, ECE group and electronics. These are all actually. But nowadays you can see a group, that group will be data science group actually. Am I right or not, sir? Separate course they are including. Can I get a response from you? Are you with me? In a olden days, only the groups will be kind of some computers, electronics, these are all things. But nowadays, universities already added data science group as separate lecture and AI also. What exactly, sir? AI. When you're talking of JNTU, Usmania, there are many universities. Universities, before adding, they will do a lot of R&D. Indirectly, if they have added any course in their curriculum, that is the upcoming and very good course actually. And one more point, are you aware about GATE exam actually? GATE exam guరించి తెలుసా మీకు? Kind of some GATE exam, who are all from especially BTech especially. Team, you know what? In GATE, what happened, in the year of 2023, they introduced a new paper actually. That new paper name is a GATE DA paper. What paper actually, sir? DA paper. What do you mean by DA, D means data science, A means artificial intelligence. GATE itself is adding a new topic in the sense that is not a. Do you wanted to see the syllabus actually? Sir, please trust me. There are few words I would like to talk with practically. I never do any, I never bluff actually. Please make a note on this one. GATE exam, especially DA. DA in the sense what exactly, sir? Data science and artificial intelligence. GATE exam. Who are all done BTech actually. And if you anyone planning for MTech, especially like a IIT college, these are all things. And if you are qualified for GATE exam, they have included the AI syllabus, man. What syllabus actually? AI syllabus. This is not available before 2022 actually. It is just introduced in the recently. GATE exam every year February the exam is going to happen actually. Am I right or not, sir? Are you with me? If you have selected for GATE exam, your package will be minimum 30 to 40 lakhs. Minimum 30 to 40 lakhs actually. I need a response, man. Are you getting? Good, good. Yeah, fine then. So no doubt at all. Kindly trust me. The course what you have chosen is a really best course. I don't know who suggested you. Either your grandfather suggested or a grandmother suggested. Learn data science. I'm sorry for getting. But this one is the best course, no doubt in that actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. So I hope I answered these are all. Second one will be, Daniel, what is the laptop configuration? Boss, the minimum configuration is fine. You can, minimum configuration in the sense, if you are going for new laptop, don't spend more money. On an average, 30K to 40K is fine. 30K to what exactly? 40K, that is fine. You can try to go for i5 processor and try to go for only SSD actually. SSD on an average minimum 200 plus is more than enough. And the next one will be, don't go for HDD. Why? Because nowadays SSD is really very good actually. That's what. Any other questions? Sir, I cleared GATE in triple until you don't good rank it worthless actually. Yeah, sir, that is one option I'm telling. I would like to highlight about the GATE. Why I would like to about GATE, because they included this syllabus, data science syllabus, means that is not a joke actually. Even these guys understand future is what exactly meant Chapani. That's what actually. That's what I wanted to tell. This is not a, I'm sorry for saying, just for fun they never add actually. Said sir, that's what I wanted to prove. Okay. All right, it's a right time. I need to take a control. Fine then. Oh, good, Suresh. Let me explain about this one. Is there any ML ops, CI/CD pipeline in this course? Krishna, that is not available. That is not available. That is not part of our course actually. Okay, we have a couple of questions actually. Let me take this one so that I can continue with the session actually. Initially, it is okay. Let me spend in between this time. There are two more questions. There are two more questions. Here I would like to say anyone. Maybe let me not highlight the name actually. Anyone. Daniel, for experience like me, it is sounds good. 2 years of data science can get a 2 actually. Sir, this is fine. Why? Because when you're talking about IT company, uh, for your kind information, if anyone is saying, if anyone is what exactly is saying, I do have a especially in a data science. In what exactly? In a data science. In a data science. I do have a total 10 years of experience. I'm sorry, no one don't have a 10 years of experience in especially data science. What we can do is in your scenario, if anyone having kind of some sound experience, 10 players in different domain, for your kind information, you can just try to divide your score will be, your experience will be 7 plus 3. 7 plus what exactly, sir? 3. I would like to say this one is a old technology. This one is old in the sense, currently working domain. The next one will be, this one will be data science. This is seriously good profile actually. Good profile. Like that you can try. Suresh sir, you got a clear picture, I guess. All right. Uh, for for my background, I'm not familiar with the programming learning as a new actually. Tim, can I take end of the questions actually? End of the session, please. I can still respect all of your questions actually, but end of the session I can take. Anup, yeah. Sir, maybe starting session I told actually during the starting today session, during starting, during starting I told as uh, tomorrow Google Classroom it will be created. Can somebody talk with me, sir? Google Classroom it will be created and admin is going to upload. Admin is going to upload actually, going to upload. Why? Because we are moving with the topics. It's a right time in your hand. Material should be available to prepare. These are all things actually. I'm sorry. Can I continue? Come on. Fine then. Thank you. So I can pick up all your questions actually. It's the right time. Yeah, boss, please make a note. We can create multiple variables in a single line. There should be same number on the left hand and what exactly right hand side. Otherwise, we'll get an error. Error name is a value error. Chapalandaru. All right. Single variable for multiple. I mean, single value for multiple variable. This is still possible syntax actually, but Python still we are not following this one. Still, what exactly, sir? Not following this one. Let me just try to create one example for your better understanding. Let me create one example actually. A equals to 10, B equals to 10 again, and C equals to 10 again actually. So, team, look at my screen. We have created three variables. How many variables we have created? But all variables having the same value. This is possible. Let me print all variables. You can just try to print A and print of what exactly? B. Let me print B. And even let me just try to print what exactly, C. We have created a variables and we are printing all those values actually. This is still fine. The example number will be demo 3. The example number is what exactly, sir? Demo 3. Daniel, instead of this one, can I create any single line? That too interesting will be, what is the point here, A equals to B equals to C. A equals B equals C equals 10. This is still possible, not using in real time. This is still possible, not using what exactly? Real time. Come on, let me show you the example actually. You will get output like what exactly? No, still the output is the same actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right, good. Now the last point, which is interview point actually. The point name is called as a variable reinitialization. Cheptarandaru? Variable reinitialization. One more time. Variable reinitialization. Important interview question. I can explain this one. Please understand. Team, first point will be, let me create a one small variable. that variable name will be salary equals to 10,000. Salary equals to what exactly? 10,000. Let me print this variable. Yes, we are printing this variable. And here this line is called as a variable creation. Cheptarandaru? Variable creation. Also called as a variable initialization. Also called as what exactly mean? Variable initialization. It is having the two names actually. It is having how many names, sir? Two names. The first one will be you can call as a variable creation, that is still fine. You can also call as a variable initialization. What exactly, sir? Initialization. This is possible actually. Daniel, if it is a variable initialization, what do you mean by reinitialization? I'm entering into that part. First of all, did you understand this one? Good. Hold on. Now let us enter into the discussion. What is the question, you know? Please. First time my variable value will be 10,000. Imagine there is a Daniel. Daniel first time salary will be 10,000. Yes, I have created a variable. I have created what exactly? Variable. Let me just try to run this example. If you are running this example, Chuptara, what is output actually? Can you tell me? Yeah, 10,000. Very good. Now here is the beauty. Please understand. Daniel, second time I am creating a variable. Unfortunately, variable name is the same I am giving. First of all, it is possible in a Python. Please listen carefully. There are two variables we have created, boss. How many variables we have created? Two variables. What is the first variable name? Salary. This first line is called as a variable creation. Second line, same variable you are taking, value is the different. Same variable you are taking, value is what exactly? Different. In second line, that is called as a variable reinitialization. Cheptarandaru? Variable reinitialization. One more time. Variable reinitialization. Here is the point you need to understand. In a variable reinitialization, old value will be replaced with the new value. You are printing here salary, right? The moment when you are printing the salary, what value it can print, you know? Recent value it can print, sir. What value it can print actually? What is the recent value? Exactly. I hope you had a clear picture actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Hey, Daniel, can I create a one more time and same variable name? Can I give one more value actually? Sir, I will tell you, hold on. Now let me create one more variable. Variable will be 3,000, 30,000. Now let me just try to run this example. Let me just try to what exactly run this example. You guess the output, sir. Output ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్తారా మీరు? చెప్పాలి సార్. మేడం చెప్పండి. What is that one? Very nice. Very nice actually. Now, first time variable creation. Second time, come again. We can change, sir. I can talk. We can change actually. Good. Now let me tell you. Good question. So seems to be first line variable creation. Second line variable reinitialization. Third time variable reinitialization. How many times if you want you can reinitialize? No matter at all actually. But whenever you are printing that variable, it can print always recent value. It will print always what exactly? What is the recent value actually? 30,000. Am I right or not, sir? Here there is a counter question actually. During interview they will ask a question. What is that question, you know? Let me cover that question. Let me cover that question. The question will be, even previously one student asked this question. The question will be, చెప్పండి sir, what is output you are getting actually చెప్పండి. చెప్పాలి అందరూ. 30,000. Daniel, anyway output is the 30,000, right? Why these two variables? Can I delete actually? Sorry, you should not delete. Anyway, the output is what exactly? 30,000 only. Then, can I delete the old variable? Sorry, you should not delete. If you delete, what is the problem? Let me show you actually. Are you with me? Good. Now, please look at my screen. Imagine, I joined in one company. I joined in what exactly, sir? One company. And initially, my salary will be 10,000. Initially, my salary will be what exactly? 10,000. There is a HR. HR can tell, hey, Daniel, your salary is what exactly? 10,000. HR already know my salary is what exactly? 10,000. Almost 1 year done. Companies will give the hike actually. You know, I got increment. The increment will be next salary equals to what exactly? No, 20,000. What is the salary, sir? 20,000. Now you talk with me. Now HR will understand by looking at this program. Okay, Daniel's salary first time he started his career with what exactly, man? 10,000. There is a meaning actually. Second time 10,000 to how much incremented actually? 20,000. Yes, exactly. The output will be. Now move to the next example. Imagine HR is looking at these are all salaries actually. HR will think like first year 10,000, second year 20,000, third year how much is salary actually? Chappan sir. If you have deleted these two variable, what is the problem? HR directly it will think like my salary started from how much actually? 30,000. That's what you should not delete the old variable actually. మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Am I right or not, sir? So the point will be, whenever you are creating a variable reinitialization is a possible. Variable what exactly? Reinitialization is a possible. Old variables you should not delete actually. If you have deleted unnecessarily, it is a confusion. Directly it will think like directly you have assigned a value. The value is what exactly? 30,000. No, directly I didn't assign directly 30,000. First how much value I have assigned? 10. Later based on requirement I have changed the value. Later based on requirement I have changed the value actually. Sir, are you getting or not? Good. I hope you got a clear picture. In next few minutes we are going to close actually. Now this topic name is called as a variable reinitialization. What is the topic name, sir? Variable reinitialization. Variable reinitialization. Now let's open the material. I will explain clearly. Come on, look at my screen. Based on requirement, we can reinitialize the existing variable value. In variable reinitialization, old value will be replaced with what exactly mean? New value. Come on, you can look at my screen. SAL. I have created a variable SAL equals to 10,000. We are printing that. In a next example, the same name of the variable we are taking, we can take. It is possible in Python, sir. It is possible in what exactly? Python. We are creating the same name of the variable and different value. What exactly, sir? Different value. If you are printing the name of the variable, what is the recent value? This one or this one, sir? 12,000. That's what you will get. What exactly? 12,000. 12,000. This is what about the variable actually. The good thing will be we done this today topic. Tomorrow I can continue with the data types actually. So the tomorrow topic will be data types. This one is the next session. Next session. All right. Can I do deinitialization to previous value actually? Sai we can do by calling a keyword. The keyword name is called as a DEL. We can do by calling the keyword. The keyword name is called as a DEL. DEL actually. Yeah, delete. But the keyword is a DEL actually. All right. Let me change the status of the topic name. The topic name is called as a variables actually. We done this topic, and tomorrow topic name is what exactly? Data types. Don't miss tomorrow topic. Data type minimum 2.5 hour session. How long time actually? Tomorrow 1.5 hour, and the day after tomorrow next 1 hour we can see actually. Thank you, team. Thank you. We done for today's session actually. Thank you so much for attending. All right, we done for today's session. Anup, in a live I will execute the examples. Then you guys need to execute actually. Anup, you can knock the door, boss. You can knock the door. Yeah. Boss, tell me.